We're learning to the Nishmas Etta Ahuva Bas Yaakov Maseches Avos Perek Hey Mishna Yud. Mishna Yud through Tesvav. The next 6 Mishnayos are going to each have 4 categories each. So Mishna Yud, Arba Midas Ba'adam. There are 4 categories about a person. Ha'omer, which have to do with the midas of a person. Ha'omer Shali Shali V'Shalach Shalach. That means he wants to keep everything in the place where it is. Mine is mine, yours is yours, and let's not share at all. I won't share with you, you won't share with me. Zumi des Beininis, v'yeshaymrim zumi des stoim. So the Rabbeinu Yonah asks a question, how could this be Mida Beininis? He's a Rasha, because there's a mitzvah in the Torah to go ahead and give tzedakah. And Taisis Yantiv also seems to be asking this question. And Taisis Yantiv says that our Mishnah is not talking about Noisnei tzedakah, because that's one of the Mishnahs later on, Mishnah Yegimel. Our Mishnah is talking about Stam having Hana from him. And Rabbeinu Yonah says that we're talking about someone that gives tzedakah, but he's only giving it out of Yiras Hashem. But Tivoi, naturally, he wouldn't be able to give. And that's what we're handling his teva over here. So on that, we're saying that to have such a teva is midas beininis and yeshem is midas sedayim. But if a person doesn't give tzedakah at all, then he's a rasha. Shali, shalach, v'shalach, shali. Ama'aretz. Ama'aretz means, which is tikkun ha'olam. This is tikkun ha'olam. It's good for the world that you could have what's mine, and I'll take what's yours, sharing. And that's why we call him a Ama'aretz, because it's, in a way, it's good because it's marbe ahava in the world. But he's an Amoritz because it's not a smart thing to do. Rabbeinu Yonah says, and the best thing to do is, right, we say now, Shali Shalach, 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 that everything is yours, he gives everything away. That's a chassid. The Goyin is Mitzayin, the Gemara Ba'obasa, Daf Tezvav Beis, that says, Godol Hanemer Be'iyav Yosem Rimash Hanemer Ba'Avram, that which it says in Eiv, that he was a Ishtam v'Yasha Yarei Elikim v'Sar Meirah, is greater than Avram. What does Sar Meirah mean? That he was a Vatrim b'Mamoinoi, that he was not makbar on his money, he would give it away to others. And the last category in the Mishnah is Shali Shali v'Shalach Shali, that everything's mine, and that is Avada A, Russia. Mishnah Yed Aleph Arba Midas B'Deis. There are 4 categories in the mindsets, which have to do with anger. Noyach lichos v'noyach lirtzos. He gets upset easily, but he gets appeased easily. Yatsa schara behefseidai. Any schar that you get by being appeased easily is lost in the fact that he gets upset easily, because someone who gets upset easily is going to come to Avera right away. And that's what the Goyin is Mitzayin, the Gemara in the Darim on Daf Chav Beis and Beis, that says that someone whose kayes is biyadua shavei noisa meruba mizchiyasa, we know that his averis are greater than his chiyas. The Gemara over there also on Aman Aleph, Chav Beis Aman Aleph, says Gehenim sholtem boy about someone whose kayes. The Gemara says afilu shchinei nechashuv v'kenegdai. The Gemara also says he's going to forget his learning, u'moisiv tipshis. So someone who's kayes, even for that split second that he's kayes, even though afterwards he's meratzeh, it's still yotzai Scharai behefseidai. Kasha lichos v'kasha lirchos. But the opposite, if it's hard for him to get upset, and it's hard for him also to get appeased, then yatzef seidai b'scharai. So even though he loses out because he gets upset so quickly, but because he gets, it's hard for him to get appeased. But since it's hard for him to get angry in the first place, it's okay. And how come the Mishnah doesn't discuss someone that doesn't get upset at all? So Rabbeinu Yonah speaks out, because such a person is not good either, because sometimes a person has to be upset. Rabbeinu Yonah, the Taisis Yantiv says that we don't find such a person. And we find that he got upset. So the third category in the Mishnah is kasha lichos v'noyach lirtzos chassid. That's the best. It's hard for him to get upset, and he gets appeased very easily. He's a chassid. And noyach lichos v'kasha lirtzos is the worst. It's very easy for him to get upset, and it's hard for him to get appeased. He is a rasha.